These are real travel essentials, the kind of items you actually reach for on every trip, the kind that solves problems before they happen, whether it's staying organized, saving space, or just making travel less stressful. So if you're packing for your next trip, this is the list you'll actually want to watch till the end. Let's start with a solid travel wallet, the Chensbrex Minimalist Wallet. It features a front RFID blocking pocket to protect your cards from digital theft, which is especially helpful in crowded areas and airports. Behind that, there's a separate zip compartment for cash and coins, keeping everything organized instead of jumbled together. On the outside, you'll find a transparent ID window, making it easy to scan or show your ID without opening the wallet. The real strength here is versatility. Carry it like a regular wallet, clip it to your bag with the metal keyring, or wear it with a detachable lanyard. It's simple, versatile, and built to work the way you travel. Now, if you travel with any kind of tech, the Epica travel case is honestly a must. Inside, it's thoughtfully organized. 5 anti-slip elastic bands keep your cables in place, 4 dedicated pockets hold power banks, adapters, and other accessories, and an anti-static lining protects sensitive devices like hard drives. For portability, there's a reinforced top handle and a luggage strap on the back, letting you slide it securely over your suitcase handle. The waterproof zippers keep your gear sealed and protected, while the unique 60-degree opening lets you access everything with one hand without anything spilling out. Turn your messy cables into a neat, organized setup. Meet the third essential in the lineup, the McDodo Apple Watch charger. It's compatible with every Apple Watch model, from the early generations to the latest releases. With a dual input design, USB-C and Lightning, you can plug it into almost anything, whether it's your laptop, power bank, or wall adapter. The magnetic alignment ensures perfect placement every time, and the built-in lanyard lets you clip it to your bag so it's always within reach. It's the kind of accessory you don't think about until your watch is about to die, and this little charger saves the day. Our next travel essential is the Puising Travel Vacuum Bag Set, arguably the biggest upgrade to your packing. Each bag opens fully 180 degrees, so you can lay it flat and load everything easily, rather than forcing items through a narrow opening. A transparent window lets you see what's inside at a glance, and the writable label area helps you keep outfits and categories organized. The included wireless electric pump compresses clothes by up to 70% in roughly a minute. Bulky items like jackets and hoodies shrink down quickly, freeing up valuable space. They create far more usable space in your luggage without upgrading to a larger bag. Meet my go-to emergency power solution, the AquaVault MagSafe charger. It packs a 5,000 milliamp capacity with 20-watt fast charging, but what really sets it apart is its ultra-slim profile, just 0.3 inches thick. It magnetically snaps onto your phone, eliminating the need for cables, yet it also supports USB-C and Lightning for wired charging when you want it. TSA safe and flight approved, it's easy to travel with, and the LED indicators let you quickly check battery levels. The metal build means it can get a bit warm during fast charging, which is expected for a charger this thin. This is one of those carry it and forget it essentials right up until you need it most. Safety is essential while traveling, which is why the She's Birdie door alarm is a smart companion. Once set, it sounds a loud siren and flashes a bright light if someone tries to open your door or window. It's rechargeable, TSA-friendly, and features a built-in flashlight that still works even when the alarm is off. Compact and easy to carry, it requires no wiring or complicated setup. The brand also supports women's safety initiatives, adding an extra layer of purpose to your purchase. Above all, it offers peace of mind, especially in unfamiliar places. With adhesive strips for damage-free installation, it's ideal for hotel stays. Cheap travel bottles are a nightmare. They leak. These gravel travel bottles don't. The design is what makes them different. They're not just round bottles, they have an angular shape that fits better inside tight toiletry bags, so you're not wasting space. There's also a rotating label system built into the cap, which sounds like a small thing, but it's incredibly helpful. Just twist to see exactly what's inside. The wide mouth opening makes refilling and cleaning easy, which really matters if you're switching products between trips. They're a bit more premium than the cheap ones, but they last far longer and won't fail on you mid-trip. The next product is a suitcase, a uniquely designed Y-Trip suitcase. It features a vertical top opening, letting you quickly grab essentials without laying the entire suitcase flat and unpacking everything. There's also a convenient side opening compartment, especially handy at airport security. Just open it, pull out your electronics, and you're done. Inside, the suitcase uses a modular layout with dedicated sections for laptops, documents, and tech gear, so everything stays organized instead of shifting around. One of the most surprisingly useful features is the flat top surface. With no bulky handle sticking out, you can actually use it as a mini desk on the go. Next up is the Perroche neck pillow. Unlike typical U-shaped pillows, it features a unique G-shaped design that delivers full 360-degree support, keeping your head stable whether you lean forward, sideways, or back. Crafted from 100% memory foam with a slow rebound core, it maintains its shape and relieves neck pressure instead of flattening over time. The removable machine-washable cover makes it easy to keep it fresh after long trips. Plus, it comes as a complete travel kit with an eye mask, earplugs, and a compact carry bag. Lightweight and adjustable, it's built for genuine long-haul comfort. At number 10, we have the Bezond Travel Steamer, a compact handheld steamer that's especially useful when presentation counts. It heats up in about 25 seconds, so you're not stuck waiting to smooth out one shirt. Its standout feature is the no-spitting design, letting you use it at any angle, even upside down, without dripping water on your clothes. It works on a variety of fabrics, from delicate shirts and ties to heavier materials. With a metal heating plate for even steam distribution and a lightweight build, it's easy to pack and carry without adding bulk. For international trips, a universal travel adapter is a must. Meet the Aunamio Travel Adapter, which works in over 200 countries and supports US, EU, UK, and AU plug types using an easy sliding system, so you don't need to carry multiple adapters, just slide to select the plug you need. It includes 4 ports, 1 AC outlet, 2 USB-C ports with 25-watt fast charging, and 1 USB-A port, letting you charge several devices at once, your phone, tablet, camera, and more. Plus, it's about 60% smaller than traditional adapters, so it fits easily in your bag without taking up much space. Just avoid using it with high-power devices, such as hairdryers. The last travel essential on the list is the Canvas Travel Lunch Tote. Designed to keep food fresh, it's ideal for snacks, full meals, or drinks. With an approximate 2-liter capacity and flexible shape, it holds more than you'd expect and easily fits various container sizes and odd shapes. The drawstring closure allows for quick access while keeping everything secure inside. Lightweight and collapsible, it folds down nicely so you can tuck it into your main bag when not in use. Its stylish design means it doesn't feel like a typical lunch bag, making it a low-key essential that proves surprisingly useful while traveling. So those are my 12 go-to travel essentials. If you'd like to check out any of these gadgets, you'll find all the links in the description below. And if you want more travel tech ideas, don't forget to check out the next video.